This factory produces enormous off-road dump truck tires, used in mining and heavy earth-moving industries around the world. Raw rubber shipments arrive here before entering the first preparation and material inspection areas. Natural rubber provides the flexibility and impact resistance required for large off-road mining tires. Synthetic rubber improves heat resistance and helps these industrial tires survive harsh mining conditions. Carbon black is added here to strengthen the rubber compound and improve long-term tire durability. Every material is measured carefully because small formula changes can affect the tire performance and operating life. Prepared rubber materials now move toward the high-pressure mixing systems deeper inside the factory. These Banbury mixers combine rubber compounds using controlled pressure, heat, and heavy industrial mixing blades. Inside the mixer, heated rubber compounds are blended. The material reaches the required industrial consistency. Fresh rubber batches cool slowly before entering the next shaping and cutting processes. Precision cutting systems prepare uniform rubber strips for reinforcement and structural tire assembly. Steel reinforcement wires increase structural strength. Inside heavy mining dump truck tires. Steel cord layers provide internal reinforcement for heavy mining tires carrying extreme industrial loads. Prepared tire materials now move toward the giant assembly systems, where the tire structure will begin forming. Assembly begins here, with exposed structural layers mounted onto giant rotating building drums. The airtight inner liner forms the first internal layer inside the mining tire structure. Reinforcement plies strengthen the tire carcass. Additional structural layers are installed. Partial sidewall sections, while the internal carcass structure remains exposed. Additional reinforcement layers will continue building the unfinished mining tire carcass structure. Additional reinforcement layers strengthen finished carcass before outer structural sections are installed. Compression rollers remove trapped air and stabilize the unfinished carcass reinforcement layers. Steel belt layers improve load stability and help support heavy mining vehicle operations. Compression systems stabilize the unfinished structure before the outer tread material is prepared. The The unfinished carcass is now prepared for the first outer tread installation stages. Uncured tread rubber is positioned carefully onto the unfinished mining tire structure. Pressure rollers attach the uncured tread gradually across the rotating carcass surface. Stitching rollers stabilize the uncured tread before final green tire shaping continues. The uncured green structure is stabilized before entering the next inspection and transfer sections. The unfinished green structures now move toward dimensional inspection and curing preparation areas. Laser inspection systems measure the uncured green structure before curing preparation begins. Excess rubber is trimmed carefully before the uncured structure enters the curing section. The uncured structures now move toward the high-pressure curing press systems. The uncured mining tire structures are prepared carefully before high-pressure curing begins. The uncured structures are positioned carefully before the high-pressure curing cycle begins. The curing molds align slowly around the uncured structure before heat and pressure are applied. Hydraulic locking systems seal the curing molds before internal pressure and heat are activated. Steam pressure and internal expansion shape the tread and sidewall surfaces during curing. The curing cycle continues under controlled heat and pressure inside the sealed molds. The curing cycle is complete. Pressure release systems are now beginning operation. Hydraulic locking systems release gradually before the curing molds begin opening. The finished tread patterns and sidewall markings are formed during the high-pressure curing process. Freshly cured tires now begin cooling before trimming and final inspection operations. Cooled mining tires now move toward trimming inspection, and final finishing operations. Finishing systems remove excess cured rubber left behind during the molding process. Sidewall cleaning systems remove loose residue before final inspection and quality testing begin. Localized grinding tools correct small surface imperfections left after the curing process.
Station 4, transfer confirmed.
Finished mining tires undergo final surface inspection before entering heavy load testing operations. Finished tires now enter industrial testing systems before warehouse storage and shipping operations begin. Heavy load testing verifies structural stability under realistic mining vehicle operating conditions. Pressure systems verify sidewall stability and internal structural integrity under heavy operating conditions. Stress testing simulates heavy mining surfaces and long-duration industrial vehicle operation. X-ray inspection verifies internal reinforcement alignment inside each finished mining tire. Tested mining tires now enter the warehouse storage, and industrial shipping section. Overhead lifting systems move heavy mining tires safely into long-term storage positions. Export verification systems confirm identification and shipping information before loading operations begin. Heavy haul loading systems prepare mining tires for long-distance industrial transport operations. Finished mining tires leave the factory after testing, storage, and final shipping preparation are completed. Storage and loading operations continue, while additional mining tires remain prepared for transport. Maintenance crews inspect lifting systems after continuous heavy industrial transport operations. Outdoor holding areas manage final transport preparation during continuous shipping operations. The mining tire manufacturing process ends here after production, testing, storage, and industrial